illustrate some of the possibilities, and we can do a number of different things, but this device is going to look at this, and it recognized that it's a Lego box in its particular model. It, based on the information it sees, it provided a number of different options. You know, we can see reviews, more information, videos, and even a 3D model. I noticed that it took the English text over here on this side and highlighted it, so we must be able to do something interesting. It actually overlaid the, or translated the information into Polish. We can see this is a tractor or a wheel loader. It has 200 pieces, and it actually has some moving parts. So I can't see any moving parts in the picture. Maybe the 3D model, so let me click on that button. Wow. So you see all the parts of that Lego, and they just come together. And you can see how you have the moving parts. Now this technique is called augmented reality. So it takes the reality in and overlays it with information that might be more important. And you can actually see if I move the box, the model, we can see around the model, and we can actually zoom in. So, and of course, all these models are not going to be stored on this device. It's something that, as we look at different things around it, the model will be streamed over the wireless broadband. So if we flip the box over, we see that there is a different model. We can click on that model and see how we could put it together differently. And I also noticed that there are some videos, and these are videos that would have the same sort of tags for something like off of YouTube. So let me just see what a YouTube video might be that matches with this.
Nazywam się Markus Bosman.
About a Lego designer, you can see if I even look at the top of the box, you should see the other model still there. And of course, I don't buy anything without seeing the reviews, so let me click on the reviews. That actually takes me to a page that has some reviews, and down at the bottom, it looks like it got some pretty good reviews. And just one last thing, just so you know that it can recognize different things and provide us different information. This side of the box, it has the UPC, so it provides us pricing information if we want. And I see it has something there about Lego Club, so I can actually go straight to that web page there. So these are just a few of the different applications we see by shrinking Intel architecture and putting it in small, low-power devices like this.
I think it's fantastic. And what you just saw was what I was talking about. It was an experience that actually used the internet. It brought things to you. You didn't have to search for anything. It translated text for you. It gave you reviews on a very, very proactive contextual basis. And even more importantly, what you just saw was real. It was real in that it did it real time, except there was one small problem.
Yeah, there was a problem. Everything that was displayed on this mobile internet device is real, but we did all the processing on a Core 2 Duo system back here under the pedestal.
Well, but, you know, that's really what it was all about.
That's the point.
And I think as our chips get faster and devices get smaller, this kind of thing is not going to be done on the desktop that's hidden behind the terminal anymore. In a few short years, that kind of processing power will exist in that machine, and it'll do it real time wherever you're at. Thanks, Art.